What's up, guys? We're going to do a trade recap for Friday, March 13th. Let's get into the charts. So we started off today, overnight session, came down, hit a key level, daily pivot, plus the 6640 level, and squeezed up. But I wasn't convinced that market was just going to continue heading up. So I was looking for some bearish structure. Ended up taking a couple long trades that did hit, and I'll explain why here in a second. So right off the bat today, after coming down, hitting another daily pivot level, we started moving up within this green buying channel that I had charted. I was really looking for some tapering as we were headed up before going short, because in my experience, the market really loves to, as it buys up in a buying channel, before looking for shorts, we like to see that buying sort of tapering. And that tapering shows us that these bearish channels are taking over. So as we broke out of the green channel, instead of looking for shorts, I was looking for where we would buy back up and sort of solidify that tapering. So the first trade I took was on my Tradeify eval accounts and ended up passing those today. So came down here and tapped this pink algorithm that I had charted, which was from the high overnight down to this level we found some resistance at, and then popped right through. So really love, before long continuation, love a break and a retest of these algos that I have charted. You can consider them support and resistance lines as well. But we got that exactly, and it had some confluence. So right around the 6720 level, which was has been a big player this last week. 6720 level plus the pink algo and the upper VWAP band. So I took that long right here, and we bounced up immediately. Closed that one out, maybe even sooner than this, just because I only needed, was it $1,300 or $1,700 on the day for my Tradeify accounts to pass them. Ended up hitting that pretty quickly. So that was the first long in the bag, and a great win. The next trade we were looking at, we came down here, and I was looking for, again, a bounce. Well, let's talk about this. So we started selling down, and I'll sort of explained in the live stream why I was looking for longs, because this was a little controlled. This looked very controlled to me. As we moved down, we left these little traces, liquidity pockets. To me, it seemed like, as price moves down, if bulls' ultimate goal is to move it up, they want to leave these little liquidity pockets to enable them to grab that liquidity at those key levels to continue squeezing up if they want to bounce it. So I was skeptical about this selling. This was very controlled. And so as we came down and we popped down, we hit that 66.93 level that, again, has been a key player this week. We keep bouncing around this 66.93, 66.99, as well as the 67.16 and 67.20 levels. These have been very important players this week. So as we flushed down and hit that 66.93, I took a buy right below 66.93. My ultimate goal was to ride that up to 67.16, but I didn't like the rejection off of this yellow as I was charting it. So I ended up taking profits, I think just around here, 67.03 is where I took my profit. So I'll go ahead and move that down. But yeah, it was a second win in the bag, and that was on my Top Step XFA that I just passed last night. So it was a fresh XFA. And then I have those other 4 Top Step XFAs. The next trade I took, I got in a little early. So again, I told you I was skeptical about this sell-off here as it was so controlled. I was looking for some bullish price action, and we got it. We got a nice little shoulder and a head, but would have remained bullish if we would have bounced somewhere around here and tried to reclaim, but we didn't. We flushed all the way down to the bottom of the yellow algorithm, which showed me, hey, we could be bearish here. I was looking for a quick grab of this liquidity left right here at that 66.99 level and a push down. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention. My son had come down and wanted to show me something that he had made. And so I was a little bit distracted, and this popped right up, and I lost about $1,000 in that trade. So that wasn't great. But I still didn't deter me. I was looking for another shoulder, right? So we've got a shoulder, head, and a shoulder right within not only the magenta algorithm here that I have charted, but this yellow algorithm. So took another trade as we popped up again. Almost stopped me out. Man, my stop was much tighter than that. I think it was right here at the high of day. My entry was much lower than that too. I think I got 33 points roughly is what I got. So that's probably what it looked like. Yeah, so I was looking for a rejection of this candle. Almost stopped me out. I did not want it to break past this magenta line right here. And luckily we got it. It was the shoulder that we were looking for. And then as price moved down, I was just charting the selling algorithm the entire time, making sure price didn't pop above it, and it never really did. So we took profit all the way down at I think it was the 66.93 level was the first profit take. The next profit take was somewhere down here. And then ultimately down to 66.71. It's the big trade. So that was a nice 33-point trade that we hit. And then don't want some of my work stuff getting in there. Let's pop it up. So yeah, so made it for 2,200 on the day. In these accounts, I see 2277. So this was the second day of green in these accounts, up at 5,000. This second account is up at 2182 on the first day. So overall, good day. Good day for Friday the 13th. You know, if you're superstitious, this is kind of a sketch day. Ended up working out for us, and so we're happy with it. So we're not going to push any further. We're locked out, and we are going to enjoy the weekend. Guys, remember that trading is to provide every one of us freedom. We're not supposed to be sitting here glued to the charts. So hope that was helpful for everyone. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below or direct in the Discord. If you guys are on Eric Spy Day Trading's Discord, happy to help you guys out, explain sort of my thesis for the day, entries and exits, so on and so forth. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Enjoy the weekend. Get away from the charts, and I will see y'all next week.